TT Global IT for Education. Education is a better safeguard of liberty than a standing army. Hi everyone, Class and Cam. Class and Cam is a unique application have been developed from Transcript Technology Global Infotech Private Limited for the purpose of communication between students and faculties at this pandemic situation. We are being a software company in the rural sector of this country have analyzed and gone through lot many communication barriers between students and faculty as well as schools and colleges. So we are providing a easy, accessible, and easy to use technology to the schools, colleges in this country to do good for all with very less cost. To make the communication better, we have developed this application. And Class and Cam is a unique platform to all schools and colleges in the world to hold communication between students and faculties and any organization which require their own presence digitally. Current version of the app can be modified as per the government requirement and can be rehosted with required logo and name based on requirement and proper representation by particular organization. User login. What is this user login comes from? Like we are providing here two levels of authentication. One is phone number verification with the OTP. That is going to be OTP based verification. Here we are fetching an OTP from the particular phone number which has been entered by the user. Second level of authentication. Here we are creating unique keys for faculty as well as student of particular organization to have some different options which are going to be seen in future slides. Registration. One-time registration for user is compulsory. Here we are giving an unique key for faculty as well as student that represents the organization as well as the role of the faculty and student. Class schedule creation. Here, once the registration is completed, we will be having an option to create online classes. As a faculty, I will be choosing a plus button over here. After that, I will be having a window to select the course, the class, particular class, and the division and the subject which I'm teaching. After that, I will be selecting. Here we are going to select subject, time, date. Class schedule creation and join. Here the faculty is going to schedule the class using the schedule button. Once the class is scheduled, everything will be replicated in the student's app. Join class by faculty and student. What is this join class? See how it looks. Nicely looking join button. Well, a single join can make something better like this. Yeah, the truth is only with the single join button we can join the classes. Student registration and class join. What is the student registration? This is the process when beginning, like when we are getting registered with the application, class and camp, we will be having this procedure for registering. The unique key that we will be providing will be representing your organization and by selecting this standard and division, we will be registered as a student for the particular class. So once we have registered means we are authorized to be using with the particular class. So when our faculties creates a class for us, we will be in the position to join the class using single join button. And even we as a student, we are having an options to modify our own classes. Like if I'm studying in a 10th standard, after going to the 11th or 12th, so we need to modify and update the same thing if I'm studying in the same school. So we are having that option. If you go to edit in my profile, so we will be having that option for editing our own data for the classes. What is this updated version of Class and Cam? So the Class and Cam updated version is having a unique identity in the entire world because we are providing an entire world to log in inside the Class and Cam. The authentication level of Class and CAM has been increased, and we are providing OTP based authentication for entire world to log in to Class and CAM application. Notification and assignment for students. To increase the level of communication between a faculty and student, we are providing two different major uh, things inside the application, which is notification and assignment. Notification to all students, particular semester or class section. So how we are going to create a particular notification for particular class. Here we are having an option notify to all class. Here we are having a toggle button which represents if the toggle button is off, we will be in the position to notify for the particular class. If the toggle button is on, it means that we are notifying to entire class or entire school in a single click of notify. Notification and assignment for students in faculty view, how it looks. This is a simple look how the faculty is going to have the view of their own message which have been sent to the students, and we are giving an user friendly environment to delete the assignment and as well as notification which have been sent by the faculty. Thank you all. From Transcript Technology Global Infotech Private Limited, we are happy to launch this product with a pride to bring communication in all organizations with customizable environment. Contact us through ttglobalit.com. Thank you.